Okay, everybody, we're going to try this. Got some fire. Now, remember, wait a minute. Something's not right. I got some fire. Okay, remember what we did with the convection tubes, and you saw that smoke going across there. There was words like pressure and density. There were words like hot and cold and moist and dry. And you had an explanation for why that smoke jetted across the convection tube. It jetted across. We're going to make an engine. It's an engine that was made in Greece thousands of years ago. It's called Hero's engine. The reason it's called Hero's engine is because Hero, yes, that was his name, Hero made Hero's engine. So what I've got here is I've got a soda can. It's cheap soda. I took the soda out. You see the tape on there? Those are from the holes that I took the soda out because the top is not open. This is important. There are no holes in the can now because I put tape over the holes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put two tiny holes facing in opposite directions. They're going to face in opposite directions. There's a little bit of water in the bottom. That little bit of water, what it's going to do is that little bit of water is going to get hot. And when that water gets hot, stuff's going to happen. And these two little holes facing the opposite direction is going to do something. And you're going to try to explain. Let's see if I can get this to work. So here I am, working. One little hole. Success. Good. And that one's going that way. Other little hole, opposite side of the can. Working, trying to get a little hole. I have this little sharp object in my hand. You might call it a pin. I'm making it go in there. It's got to be a tiny hole. Turns out a big hole doesn't allow enough, begins with a P, pressure to build up. So we've got to have a tiny hole, and I want it to go the opposite direction, and I think I got it. I have a little bit of water. This is key. I have this little fishing swivel in here. That means that when this turns, it doesn't have to turn this. I'm trying to reduce, begins with an F, friction. Good. Let's put this under here. Let's see what happens if I'm lucky. We're going to try. Here we are. We're trying. Okay, let's see. I can make this faster. Let's see. Come on. All right, you watch. I'll be right back. I don't think anything's happening yet, do you? I hear little fizzy noises.
What's up, guys? Shut up!
Can you see that? Oh, something's starting to happen here. I'm just gonna tap that swivel just a little bit. See if it gets stuck or something. I think it's starting to work. I'm gonna just give it a little bit more movement. Make sure. Oh, I can tell you, I can smell the paint on the can burning. Well, I'm going to have to make an adjustment or two. Do you know what adjustment I'm going to have to make? I'm going to make an adjustment, and then we'll be right back.